Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This video is part of my trading routine where I capture and review my trades. Today I want to quickly explain what stop loss order is and why it is crucial to use it. Let's get to it. So today I'm trading LCID. I am very bullish on this stock. It's holding support levels pretty well. White line, you can see it bounce from it. It's a VWAP, and the blue line is 20 MA. So everything looks in order, and there is a good chance that the stock will go up. But at the same level, the stock already touched the 50 level and couldn't break through, and now it's trying to do this for the second time. So it might form the double top pattern and just go down from here. Okay, so I open 900 shares position and waiting for it to move up. If the stock goes down, I will exit the trade and embrace the loss. My exit point is a bit below 20 MA line. It's a blue line on the chart below the... So if the price drops below this level, I will just sell all my position. It's called the mental stop loss. Stop loss is designed to limit your loss in case the trade goes against you. It's called mental because I didn't place any physical order. It is just in my intention to exit the trade. As you can see, the price just dropped below my exit level. I hesitated and didn't sell my shares, so I'm down more than $700. Wow, my voice just pitched. And while I'm catching my breath, you go ahead and like this video. So now it's the worst part. You start to hope it will bounce back and still don't exit the trade. My loss is getting bigger. If I only would have set the physical stop loss order, meaning that all my shares will be sold once the price reaches a certain level, I could have exited about $49.50 level, losing just a couple of $100. But if I exit now, I will realize the much bigger loss. These kind of thoughts are paralyzing you, and you're just starting to wait and hope it will go back, and you can't believe this is happening and you lost so much money. So what should I do? Exit now or wait a bit more until it goes back? What would you do in this situation? Please leave a comment down below. Well, I'm down $1,500 at this point. This is too late for me now. But wait, the price dropped so much. It can't go lower. It probably will bounce back from here. So I will wait some more, right? And it starts to show some hope. It goes back a bit, goes higher from here. Looks like it found some kind of support at this level. So I might get out of this trade okay. What do you think? So the price just goes back and forth and shows me some hope. And the truth that I learned during my trading years, and please write it down, the truth is it always can get worse than you think. And this trade is proof to that. Look, I'm down about $1,800 now. The initial loss of $600 and then $1,000 looks very appealing right now at this point. Remember I told you it always can get worse? My loss is already $2,200. After some more misery time of waiting and hoping, I was finally ready to embrace the loss and exit the trade. In this trade, my hesitation cost me a lot of money, and setting a simple stop loss order would limit my loss to minimum. Hope this is helpful for you and you are learning something. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.